Why do most men stop learning long before life ever stops teaching? What if the real difference between who you are now and the man you could become comes down to 12 skills anyone can master? In this video, we'll rebuild the blueprint of the modern man, so you can evolve into someone the world can't ignore. If you've ever felt stuck, hungry for growth, or destined for more, then you're ready to unlock the mind of a lifelong learner. A true gentleman of distinction, where real men grow, evolve, and unlock their true potential. This channel is dedicated to helping you develop unshakable confidence, strength of character, and a masculine frame that demands respect. If you're ready to level up, let's build the man you're meant to be.
Unlock your potential. What is a lifelong learner? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gentleman of Distinction channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to becoming a lifelong learner? Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for personal growth, lifelong learning. From the earliest humans discovering fire to the Renaissance, learning has always been how we grow as individuals and as a society. In this video, we'll explore 12 transformative topics to revolutionize your approach to self-education. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Picture this, you're a kid, lost in a mystery novel, eager to uncover the ending. That's curiosity in action. It's that spark, that drive to know more, to explore the unknown that shapes how we see the world. It's not just about the story, it's about the questions it inspires. Curiosity drives every invention, discovery, and achievement in human history. From the first wheel to space exploration, it's the fuel behind progress. It's the reason we've reached for the stars and uncovered the mysteries of our own planet. And guess what? It's not just for kids. Adults too can rediscover that sense of wonder. Whether it's learning a new skill, diving into a hobby, or simply asking what if, curiosity keeps us young at heart. Curiosity is a muscle we can strengthen at any age. Like physical exercise, it requires practice and effort. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So how do we tap into that wonder? Start by asking questions. Big or small, every question is a doorway to discovery. Why is a powerful tool. It's the simplest question, yet it opens up endless possibilities. Why does the sun rise? Why do we dream? Why do things work the way they do? Think of your brain as a garden. Without seeds of inquiry, it's barren, but with curiosity, it grows, flourishes, and transforms into something extraordinary. With every question, your mind blossoms with knowledge. It's like watching a flower bloom or a spark ignite into a flame. The world is vast, offering endless opportunities to learn every day. From the smallest details to the grandest ideas, there's always something new to uncover. Cultivating curiosity starts with paying attention. Notice the little things, the patterns, the questions that arise in your mind. Ask why the sky is blue or why people act the way they do. These simple questions can lead to profound insights. It's not about memorizing facts, but connecting dots and understanding the why behind the what. It's about seeing the bigger picture and finding meaning in the details. Approach the world with wonder and a thirst for knowledge. Let curiosity guide you to new horizons and unexpected discoveries. So, go forth and be curious. The journey of lifelong learning is one of the most rewarding adventures you'll ever embark on. Let's talk about mindset. Ever said, I'm just not good at math, or I can't learn languages? That's a fixed mindset talking. But here's the truth. Our brains are wired for growth, just like AI evolves with data. Enter the growth mindset. Seeing challenges as opportunities and setbacks as stepping stones. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I can't do this yet. That one word changes everything. Failure isn't the end, it's part of the process. Each stumble teaches us something valuable. Embrace effort, persistence, and the occasional YouTube tutorial to achieve your goals. Shift your self-talk, embrace failure, and see every challenge as a chance to grow. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. We live in an age of information overload, news, social media, videos. It's endless. Critical thinking is your compass in this sea of data. It's about questioning, evaluating, and forming your own opinions. Start by recognizing your biases. We all have them, but awareness helps us challenge them. Consider the source of information. Is it credible, reliable? Ask these questions before sharing or believing. Don't shy away from asking questions or seeking clarification. Engage in respectful debates and do your research. Critical thinking isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing how to think. In a world of endless information, let curiosity and critical thinking guide you. Stay curious, stay informed, and think critically. Self-reflection is like hitting pause on life's chaos to check in with yourself. It's a moment to breathe, to step back, and to truly listen to what your mind and heart are trying to tell you. In a world full of distractions, it's easy to lose touch with our thoughts and feelings. The constant noise of notifications, responsibilities, and expectations can drown out our inner voice. Reflection helps us learn from experiences and align our actions with our goals. It's a way to understand what truly matters and to let go of what doesn't serve us anymore. Journaling is a simple yet powerful tool. It's a space where your thoughts can flow freely, unfiltered and honest. Write about your day, your dreams, or your challenges. Just let it flow. Over time, these pages become a mirror, reflecting your growth and your journey. Meditation and mindfulness are other great ways to practice self-reflection. They allow you to slow down and connect with the present moment. They help quiet the mind and focus on the present. In this stillness, you can uncover insights about yourself that often go unnoticed in the rush of daily life. When we're present, we can observe our thoughts without judgment. Self-reflection isn't one size fits all. It's a deeply personal practice that evolves with you. Find what works for you and make it a habit. Whether it's a few minutes a day or a longer session each week, consistency is key. Whether it's journaling, meditating, or simply taking a walk, take time to look inward. These moments of introspection can bring clarity and peace. Growth starts with understanding yourself. Make self-reflection a priority. Pause, reflect, and grow. It's in these quiet moments that transformation begins. The more you understand yourself, the more intentional your growth becomes. You'll find yourself making choices that align with your values and aspirations. Start small, but start today. Even the smallest step towards self-reflection can lead to profound changes over time. Time management is key to making space for learning. It's not just about finding time, but creating it intentionally. By understanding how you spend your day, you can uncover hidden opportunities to focus on growth. Life is busy, but prioritizing learning can transform your personal growth. Even amidst a hectic schedule, carving out moments for self-improvement can lead to profound changes over time. Start by identifying your priorities. What truly matters to you? Once you know, it becomes easier to align your time with your goals. Focus on what truly matters and let go of distractions. A clutter-free environment and a clear mind can significantly enhance your ability to learn and grow. Break big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This not only makes them less intimidating, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each one. Progress feels more achievable this way. Small wins build momentum, keeping you motivated to tackle the next challenge. To-do lists are your best friend. They help you stay organized, track your progress, and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. They keep you organized and on track. Whether digital or handwritten, a well-maintained list can be a powerful tool for productivity. Life happens and plans change. Flexibility is essential. Being adaptable allows you to navigate unexpected challenges without losing sight of your goals. Don't beat yourself up over setbacks. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Every step, even the missteps, contributes to your journey. Adjust, adapt, and keep moving forward. Progress isn't always linear, but persistence will always pay off in the end. Time is precious, but with the right strategies, you can make room for what matters. It's about quality, not quantity when it comes to learning. Learning doesn't require hours. Even small, consistent efforts add up. A few minutes each day can lead to significant progress over time. Prioritize, plan, and stay flexible. A well-thought-out plan gives you direction, while flexibility ensures you can adapt to life's surprises. Make learning a part of your routine and watch your growth soar. Consistency turns small habits into lasting change. The key is consistency, not perfection. Embrace the process and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Change is constant and adaptability is essential. Technology evolves, industries shift, and uncertainty is the new normal. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth, not a threat. Step outside your comfort zone. True growth happens when we challenge ourselves. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Resilience is key. Bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. Adaptability is about curiosity, openness, and resilience. Change is inevitable, but growth is optional. Choose growth. Embrace the unknown, learn new skills, and thrive in uncertainty. The future belongs to the adaptable. Communication is the foundation of connection. Effective communication isn't just about talking, it's about listening. Active listening means being present, asking questions, and understanding emotions. When we listen, we create space for open, honest dialogue. Communication is a two-way street. Express yourself clearly and respectfully. Practice makes perfect. Engage in meaningful conversations and learn from others. Connection through dialogue enriches our learning and relationships. Listen, share, and grow together. Life is full of challenges, but every problem is an opportunity for growth. Problem solving is a skill anyone can develop with practice. Start by clearly defining the problem. Understanding it fully is half the battle. Brainstorm creative solutions. Think outside the box and challenge assumptions. Evaluate your options. Consider pros, cons, and potential risks. Action is key. Turn ideas into reality and learn from the process. Problem solving strengthens with use. The more you practice, the better you get. Embrace challenges as opportunities to innovate and grow. Every problem is a chance to learn and improve. Be a solution architect in your own life. Collaboration is the secret behind humanity's greatest achievements. Learning together taps into diverse perspectives and skills. Teamwork fosters creativity, understanding, and interpersonal skills. Create a safe, inclusive space for collaboration. Respect and listen to others. Define roles and responsibilities to ensure everyone works toward a common goal. Collaboration isn't just about learning, it's about building connections. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Learn, grow, and succeed as a team together. Lifelong learning is a journey, not a destination. Cultivate curiosity and a growth mindset to keep the spark alive. Step outside your comfort zone and explore new subjects and hobbies. The world is full of endless opportunities to learn and grow. Every experience is a chance to discover something new. Embrace the adventure of learning and never stop exploring. The journey of growth is lifelong. Enjoy every step. Setbacks are part of the learning process. Resilience is the ability to bounce back, learn, and keep moving forward. Reframe failure as a learning opportunity, not a personal shortcoming. Every successful person has faced challenges. It's how they responded that mattered. Self-care is crucial for resilience. Nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Take breaks, recharge, and come back stronger. Challenges are inevitable, but resilience makes growth possible. Learn from mistakes, adapt, and keep going. Growth thrives on resilience. Knowledge is powerful, but it must be used responsibly. Ethical learning means using information with integrity and compassion. Be mindful of your sources and challenge your biases. Consider different perspectives and strive to make a positive impact. Critical thinking ensures we use knowledge wisely. Learning isn't just about acquiring information, it's about applying it ethically. Use your knowledge to create a better world. Learn with purpose and act with integrity. And there you have it. 12 ways to embrace lifelong learning. Learning is a journey full of twists, turns, and growth. Be curious, open-minded, and committed to self-improvement. The adventure of learning never ends. Keep exploring. Which of these will you start practicing today? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.
Thanks for watching the Gentleman of Distinction channel. Now, it's time to take what you've learned and put it into action. Remember, growth is a journey, and you're one step closer to mastering your masculine frame and unlocking your full potential. If you found value in today's video, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the next step in your journey. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and as always, keep leveling up.